Welcome to Money Matters, the go-to channel for all your financial insights. Today we're venturing into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency, a term that's been buzzing around like a bee in a garden. But what exactly is cryptocurrency, and why is it often termed as the digital gold? Stick around as we decrypt the secrets of cryptocurrency. At its core, cryptocurrency is a form of digital or virtual currency. Unlike the dollars or euros tucked away in your wallet, cryptocurrencies are purely electronic. They operate on a technology called blockchain, which is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manage and record transactions. The inception of cryptocurrency can be traced back to 2009, with the creation of Bitcoin by an unknown person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. The aim was to create a new kind of money that is decentralized, transparent, and operates independently of any central authority. Transactions in the cryptocurrency world occur directly between users and are verified by network nodes through cryptography. Once a transaction is confirmed, it is recorded in a public distributed ledger known as the blockchain. The allure of cryptocurrency lies in its potential to revolutionize the financial landscape. With the promise of lower transaction fees than traditional online payment mechanisms and decentralized operations, cryptocurrencies could redefine how we perceive and handle money. The voyage of cryptocurrencies is still in its infancy, and the potential it holds is immense. With advancements brewing every passing day, who knows? The way we transact, save, or invest our money might just be on the brink of a significant overhaul. And that, dear viewers, was a glimpse into the realm of cryptocurrency. Here on Money Matters, we'll keep unraveling such engaging topics, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and ring that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, keep your finances sharp and your curiosity sharper.